Hello students, how are you? Welcome to your new computer class. Here's our chapter 5, that is Macromedia Flash. And our today's topic is transforming an object. Transforming means to change. To change in an object. So, the free transform tool is used to transform an object. Okay, here is a free transform tool. With the help of this tool we can change our object. So if we want to change or we want to transform an object, then we have to follow some steps. So step 1 is draw an object. Draw an object. So here is our step 2, that is select free transform tool. That I told you that with the help of this tool we can transfer or we can change our object. Okay, so select this tool, free transform tool. So after selecting this tool, here's step 3. When you will click on this, when you will select free transform tool and click on an object, then a rectangular line appear all around the object. Okay, like here is our object, and when you will select free transform tool, then rectangular line appear all around the object. Then move the mouse pointer over the selection. Then move the mouse pointer over the selection. Then it can change following transformation functions. That is you can rotate an object. Rotate an object means to rotate an object, place the pointer, move any of 4 corners handle. Okay, like here is the object. Here is the object. If you want to rotate this object, then you have to rotate 4 corners. Okay, so when the pointer change into curved arrow, then click and drag to rotate the object. And second one is to move an object. You can move your object. It means to move an object, place the pointer on selected object. First of all, you have to place the pointer. Place the pointer, then when plus sign with arrow. Okay, when you will place your pointer, then plus sign with arrow appear, then drag the object to a new position. When this sign will appear, then you can drag with the help of mouse to new position, then your object will move from one place to another. So here's the third one is to scale an object. To scale an object. To scale an object. So scaling is used to increase and decrease. Increase and decrease the size of an object. Okay,